Hello viewers, today I am going to share with you turmeric water for health. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Curcumin present in turmeric is an powerful antioxidant. Turmeric helps in controlling blood sugar levels and it is having many medicinal properties. Here I am going to prepare turmeric water with lemon. For this we need lemon juice, turmeric, warm water and honey. Let's start the process. Take a glass of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Drink this water early morning on empty stomach. This drink helps in diabetes in check. Turmeric has ability to regulate insulin resistance. It relieves arthritis. Regular consumption of turmeric water relieves joint pains, prevents heart diseases. It also reduces cardiovascular diseases. It prevents cancer. Studies proved that the risk of heart diseases is reduced up to 65% by taking 4 grams of turmeric per day. So, turmeric has so many amazing health benefits. Add turmeric in your daily diet to keep your body healthy.
Eat honey with turmeric. This will happen to your body. Turmeric and honey, both of them have their own individual uses and advantages, but when mixed together, it is known as golden honey. This is the strongest natural antibiotic medicine. Honey and turmeric for sore throat. Take about half a cup of water in a vessel. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper and cinnamon sticks. Now boil this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain water and add 1 tablespoonful of honey. Drink this twice a day to cure sore throat. Honey and turmeric for cough and cold. Take a cup of warm milk. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and about 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it thoroughly. This has to be drunk when it is hot. The antibacterial and antiviral properties of it can cure cough and cold. Honey and turmeric for joint pain. Experts in natural medicine claim that turmeric and honey together they form a treatment that is full of antioxidants, vitamins and enzymes that are excellent at reducing inflammation and easing joint pain. If you suffer from joint pain or bone density loss, start today and add this wonderful combination to your regular diet.
Weight loss drink for women. Turmeric water. It is a great fat burner drink. For this we need turmeric and warm water. Turmeric is a good antioxidant and it contains more medicinal values. It reduces fat in the body. Let's start the process. Take a glass of warm water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and mix well. Turmeric water is ready. Turmeric water. This drink blocks fat and lowers cholesterol. Have this drink daily in the morning for best results. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.